This is Go Figure, day number 5. Max, the person I just met on the phone, was an entrepreneur who wanted to make an action figure of me. He used a new process that required a full body scan that would connect to a 3D printer. Would I be interested in this? What Max said sounded great, but I quickly found reasons to be cautious. The lesson on the left. All ages can get excited about toys, though many people enjoy them as collectibles rather than for play. They like having them and sometimes displaying them or buying and selling them. New technologies can be very exciting. And get this, I happen to know someone who helped invent 3D printing. You'll hear more later about my friend Zerby. So the lesson there, all ages can get excited about toys. That's a fun thing. So if you're in a classroom or you're listening with your mom or your dad or your aunt or your uncle or whomever, ask them about their favorite toys when they were kids. I have a 10-year-old and a 7-year-old, and you can hear the smile or see the smile on my face if you're watching on YouTube. Some of my favorite toys when I was a kid, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, which they're coming out with new movies. He-Man, Skeletor, the Transformers, GoBots. So all of these toys when I was a kid, some that are still around today, some that are long gone. Army Ants was another favorite of mine. Food Fighters was another favorite of mine. They were toys, but as a grown-up, I enjoy these things as collectibles or as kind of keepsakes. WWF, now WWE wrestlers. My brother and I have so many of them. I passed them on to my son, and he passed them on to his son. So it's fun to look back and remember nostalgia, thinking about the past, which produces a good feeling. It's fun to look back and think about them. In this book, Go Figure, hence the title, someone approaches me, Max, about creating an action figure of me. The next note there is about 3D printing, and that is true. My friend Jack Zerby, who is an entrepreneur is someone who starts or creates their own business. Zerby, my friend, had so many close calls with some of the biggest names, Zuckerberg on Facebook, 3D printing, all kinds of other businesses, opportunities. Almost. He is currently an entrepreneur. He works with several different businesses as well. But it is true that he knows someone who helped invent 3D printing. And also, 3D printing is very confusing to me. I don't know a lot about it, but my niece, my brother's kid, my brother's daughter, my brother's kids, they have a 3D printer. It's kind of like a junior edition, but it's awesome because it creates these little plastic figures. Who would have thought? Hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you tomorrow.